Morning, morning, you absolute bunch of degens. Keith at Crypto Bullseye, and I'm bringing you Chiliz this morning. It's currently trading at 0.04313. So this is a gaming narrative, and we're talking about narratives now, guys. It's getting exciting because the crypto market is absolutely flying. So when we get alt season, the swear word of 2025, the thing that people think that's never going to happen, when we get alt season, everyone knows what my metric is. Anyone that's been watching me for any given time hasn't changed for the last few years, guys. This is my exit strategy. This is my estimation for alt season. And when we get a break and when we get a close of the previous all-time high, which was in 2021, of total 3, then I'm scaling out the market over an 8 to 10 week position, the same as I scaled in the market during build phase, the way that you scaled in the market during build phase. So we haven't had a break yet. We haven't had a close, but guess what? We're 8.66% away. Things are looking rosy, guys, and the narratives are starting to pump now. So we're looking at Chiliz. I shared this in the Discord group a couple of days ago, guys. Get yourself in the Discord group if you want to front run any of these charts, because it takes me ages to do videos on YouTube. So why am I interested in Chiliz? We're talking about narratives. Within alt season, you get narrative pumps. Within narrative pumps, you get different sectors, i.e. you'll get gaming, you'll get AI, you'll get all sorts of different things. DeFi, you'll get layer ones, you'll get layer twos, you get all these different narratives running. Why does it happen like that? Because all of the liquidity between the whole of the crypto market can't go in everything together collectively. So what you'll see is narrative pumps. We're seeing gaming now, and you're seeing this on Illuvium. We've seen the Illuvium, we got the Illuvium, we showed you the Illuvium before this pump. This pump, guys, doesn't look much now. That pump was actually to the upside, 109.22%. So that was a big pump on Illuvium. Have you missed the boat on Illuvium? For now, yes. Anybody that bought Illuvium, when the big bubble was green, when everyone was interested in Illuvium was showing 100% gains, the people that bought the top are now in a loss of 22.49%. So between the narrative of gaming, is there anything else that looks similar to Illuvium? That's why I brought to your attention Chiliz, because Chiliz looks very similar to Illuvium. It hasn't done one thing, hasn't broke its 200 daily moving average. When it breaks its 200 daily moving average, then I expect it to do exactly the same thing as what Illuvium's done. That's sat at 0.04484. So that's what we're looking for in the short term, guys. And guess what? How far away is price from there now? We've had a breaker trend. That's a tick. 2.95% away from testing the 200 daily moving average. What happens when you're below? Bearish. What happens when you're above? Bullish. So expect a big surge of price action all the way up to this area here of 11 cents without little resistance on the way there. You've got a little resistance barrier here at 0.09 cents. But other than that, all the way back to the lower highs of this trend here. So that's why I'm bringing it to your attention, guys. You run between sector, you run between narrative. When you start progressing towards alt season, and when you get in alt season, that's where you really start pushing different narratives. So you look at a narrative, has one thing run? Yes. Is it in the same sector? Yes. Does the chart look similar? Yes. What about that? That looks like Illuvium as front run Chiliz. So that's why I'm interested in Chiliz. We've got a breakout here. You've got your 200 daily moving average to contend with. Get yourself in the Discord group. That's where I showed you this a couple of days ago. I'll see you guys in the next one.